Hi, I am Gregor from Aries Academy, and this is the first video of our series From Zero to LBO, Building a Financial Model of Twitter. The purpose of the series is to explain and illustrate how financial models can be built on real-world data, demonstrating the methodology and functionality of such models. The series consists of several videos, each explaining one specific step. Starting with the preparation of an empty worksheet, we build an integrated three-statement model, including supplementary schedules to forecast the future development of Twitter. Based on that, we model a DCF valuation and a simple LBO model. In addition, we define different cases to introduce sensitivities before analyzing Twitter using the takeover by Elon Musk as a showcase. Finally, we try to build a Monte Carlo simulation on top of our assumptions to see how Twitter could perform in the future, taking into consideration randomness. The first 5 videos focus solely on the how to build part, whereas the latter 2 videos are more on the analysis and shortcomings of the model. So to give you a preview of what you expect, I will briefly walk you through the Excel model. Let's take a look. The model is based on the historic financials of Twitter found in the 10K reports. We used the P&L and balance sheet data to build a simple integrated 3-statement model. This forms the basis of the DCF and LBO model. The planning assumptions and KPIs are defined in a separate worksheet to forecast the going concern of Twitter, allowing for individual definition of assumptions for every line item. In addition, we define supporting schedules and different cases for more details and flexibility. Based on the operating model, we build a simple DCF valuation, including WACC calculation and sensitivity analysis to value Twitter. Next, we model a leverage buyout, defining the underlying assumptions as building block for the respective LBO model. And of course, we calculate IRRs based on the different assumptions and debt schedules. Based on the final model, we take a closer look on the Twitter takeover of Elon Musk to see how certain restructuring measures could affect the financial performance of Twitter and hence how successful the takeover could be. The objective of the series is to provide you the basic tools to build a simple financial model and understand how financial models work. In our videos, we try to give you first insight in modeling applications, and we hope that this series creates first or further enthusiasm in understanding corporate finance. If you would like to accompany us in this modeling journey, we would be delighted. So please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. In case you're interested in the final Excel model and the comprehensive documentation covering the setup of the model, please write us an email to the address in the video description. Moreover, if you are interested in Aries Academy and our tailor-made training solutions, also drop us a mail. We would highly appreciate to provide you an overview of our scope and services. Thank you for watching. Looking forward building the model together with you. Bye bye.